Now we will discuss about Spring Boot, another feature called Spring Boot CLI. CLI means a command line interface. This one we need to download from and install. Here we need to download Spring Boot CLI. Enter, and if we click here, or if we go for Spring Boot documentation also, they mentioned here in this way will be there. The tar file could be Mac OS, the zip file could be Mac or Unix OS, the tar file could be, or zip file could be OS files. We need to download this one, save, because already is there with me, that's why it's showing. It's downloaded, it's too small file. In this one we need to find, to copy. I have already this file, that's why I didn't copy it here. Technology Spring here, I pasted, and after this you need to extract this file by using zip or anything. After extracting in this way, it will show bin, legal, lib, and install txt and all those things. We need to open bin, and we need to copy the total path, and we need to set this path. Window R cmd set path is equal to paste this path. Okay, we need to check the path is set or not. Spring ---- version, yeah, it's set. Now we will see and we will enter the magic of the command line interface. Now here we need to go and we need to set on that path. Here Spring Boot, here we will create a new folder, CLI. Yeah, inside this one just we need to create a one just class file, that's controller class file. We don't need to add all the dependents and all those things. The file name could be CLI demo app.java. I wrote in this way. Yes, we need to open this one, and we don't want to add all any jars, or we don't need to import any packages and all those things. Just we know how to implement, that's fine for this one. The rate rest controller class could be public class CLI test controller, and we need to close. Here we need to write a one method, public string get mobile price is the method, open and close. We need to configure these things later. Next class we'll discuss. Thank you.